Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A particle moves along a straight line so that its position at time t greater than or equal to 0 is given by s of t equals negative t squared plus 8t minus 7 in meters. At what time t does the particle first reach a position of s equals 9 meters? Now let us work through the solution step by step. We want to find when the position equals 9 meters, so we set the position function equal to 9 and solve for t. We subtract 9 from both sides and then multiply through by -1 to get a standard quadratic with a positive leading coefficient. The quadratic is a perfect square trinomial. It factors as t minus 4 all squared equals 0. Taking the square root of both sides gives t minus 4 equals 0, so t equals 4. Because it is a double root, this is the only time the particle reaches that position. A double root means the position curve just touches the line s equals 9 at a single moment. Substituting t equals 4 back in confirms s of 4 equals negative 16 plus 32 minus 7, which equals 9, so the answer checks out. The graph shows the downward opening parabola for the position function and a horizontal line at s equals 9. They meet at exactly the point t equals 4, confirming there is only one solution. Therefore, the particle first reaches a position of 9 meters at t equals 4 seconds. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.